Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Can you guys believe that summer is already here? I can't believe it. Time is flying. And I was thinking what fun recipe I can make over the summer. And I thought, why not make some homemade corn dogs? And if you want to see how I make mine, then keep watching. But before we get started, if you're that person that loves to cook using simple ingredients, then please consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. Okay, so let's get started on the corn dog batter. I have some yellow cornmeal and I'm going to measure out a half a cup and add it to a medium bowl along with a half a cup of all-purpose flour. And then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/8 of a teaspoon of sea salt along with 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Just grab a whisk and just mix everything together. Now that was the dry ingredients, so let's get started on the wet ingredients. So I'm going to crack 1 egg and add a half a cup of whole milk. And that's it. You're just going to whisk both the egg and the milk together until it's completely combined. And now you're going to pour in the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Okay, so once you've mixed both the wet and dry ingredients together, this is going to create the perfect batter, and it's so simple. You probably have all of these ingredients in your pantry right now. So now you can either leave the batter in the bowl, but I like to pour it in a tall glass or cup because when I do dip my hot dogs, it would be a lot more simpler. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the batter in a glass just like this. And I'm just going to set the batter to the side and I'm going to go heat up some grease. So I have a deep pot and I'm just going to pour in some vegetable oil and I'm going to let it heat up to around 360 degrees. Now this is where the choice is yours. Now you can use either hot dogs, but instead I'm going to use some hot links, something that I really love to eat. And I'm going to make 4 corn dogs. So I'm just going to take out 4 hot links, but this recipe can make between 4 and 8 corn dogs. So now I'm just going to take a paper towel and I'm just going to pat them dry. And now I'm just going to take 4 wooden skewers and I'm going to insert each hot link. So this is what it looks like, and now let's go over to the stove and make some corn dogs. Now, like I said earlier, you can leave the batter in the bowl, but I like to put it in a tall glass or cup and like to dip the hot dog into the batter, as you can see, and just let the excess batter drip off the hot dog. And then you want to very carefully put it in the hot grease. I'm just going to hold on to it for a little bit, and then I'm just going to lay it in the grease completely. So your corn dogs are going to cook up pretty fast, so you definitely don't want to walk away. But yeah, just grab some tongs and just continue to rotate them all the way around until they're golden brown. And the corn dogs are going to take between 3 to 4 minutes to cook. But this one's almost done, and look how great that looks. Looks so good. And I'm just going to continue to make my corn dogs until they're all done. So all 4 of my corn dogs are done, and look, I mean, it looks like it came straight out of a fast food restaurant. So easy. Now you can put whatever toppings you like on your corn dog. I personally like mustard and ketchup. And like I said, these ingredients are probably in your pantry right now. Just something easy and delicious to make for the summer. And of course, the kids will really love it, and make sure to enjoy it while it's nice and hot. But we are all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me, take a picture on Instagram. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.